When you try to read an Excel file in pandas data frame, you might get this error. Hello people, welcome back to my channel Fitness Geek. Today we are talking about reading Excel files in our pandas data frame. The syntax is very simple. You import pandas, then you call pandas, and then it's like pandas dot read underscore Excel, and you follow the parameters. So in this demo, what we are going to do is we'll have two files. One is the newer version of Excel, xlsx extension, and the older one, xls files. Both have same data, only the difference is the version of the file. So I'll go ahead and import pandas. Before that, let's go ahead and look into the documentation. So if you go into pandas documentation for input output, you'll find all the available file formats that you can import and you can export from pandas. So if you see for read underscore Excel, by default the engine, if it is none, like if you give read underscore Excel and you give the path of the Excel file and do not give any engine, you do not specify engine, that is taken as none, and then it follows an order. So first of all, it will go and look for xlrd, which supports the older version xls file, and if you're trying to read an xls file and it finds xlrd, then it will straight away import that file. So first we'll import pandas, then we'll read the Excel files. I'll read both the files, the xls and xlsx, which is the latest one. So if I run it, I get the error missing optional dependency xlrd, which is a requirement. So first we will need to install xlrd. xlrd is required for the older version. The newer version of xlrd does not allow you to read XLS files. So let's go ahead and install it from our Jupyter Notebook itself. So the trick is percentile pip install and the library name, so xlrd. So it has successfully installed xlrd. So if you see in our documentation, the newer versions of xlrd only supports .xls file, which is like previous versions of Excel 2003 workbooks. So if we run it again, we are able to read the XLS file, but we are still not able to read xlsx file, which is the latest version of Excel file. And if you look at the error, it says you will need to install another library called openpyxl. In the documentation, we have already read that openpyxl is something that you will need to read latest versions or newer versions of Excel files. So let's go ahead and install openpyxl. Same thing, percentile pip install openpyxl from your Jupyter Notebook should do it. If you are running it from command prompt or Python, you can just do pip install openpyxl. Successfully installed. If I run the same read underscore Excel with the path and the file name with xlsx format, it should read successfully. Let me run this, and we have the data in a data frame. So this is how you read Excel files into a data frame. You need supporting engine. If the engine is present, then pandas will automatically detect it and use it. If none of the engine is present, not installed, then you'll have to install it. You can explicitly provide the engine that you want to use. So for example, if I use xlrd to read xlsx file, it should not work. So we got the error because the xlrd newer versions do not read the newer versions of Excel files. if you can see the documentation, it says the same thing. So this is how you read Excel files into a data frame, and then you can do your transformations and then export it as any of the file formats that you want. It can either be CSV, you want to export it as a pickle file, or you want to export it as just an Excel sheet. You can do that. So if I provide explicitly openpyxl, it runs successfully.